Hi guys, this is very welcome back to my channel. Today, as part of our road trip, we are heading towards Dhanushkodi, which is located in Tamil Nadu, the final tip of mainland in India, where restless Indian Ocean meets the tranquil Bay of Bengal. This silver of sand shimmering between two mighty seas has earned its haunting title India's Ghost Town. Dhanushkodi lies on the southeastern edge of Pamban Island, a place where the map itself seems to taper off into the horizon. Its name, Dhanushkodi, literally means the end of the bow, a title drawn from the great epic Ramayana. According to legend, it was here that Lord Rama and his army built the Rama Setu, a mystical bridge to Lanka to rescue Sita from the demon king Ravana. This ancient chain of submerged shoals, known today as Adam's Bridge, still whispers its story beneath the waves. Some legends say that Lord Rama broke the bridge with the tip of his bow upon his victorious return, symbolically ending a divine mission and giving this land its poetic name. At the end of this land, the sea stretches endlessly towards Sri Lanka, a mere 30 kilometers away. Here, India narrows to just 45 meters wide, said to be the smallest land border in the world. And before silence took over, Dhanushkodi was alive, a bustling seaport and a gateway between India and Ceylon. Now it's known as Sri Lanka. During the British era, it earned the nickname Mini Singapore for its trade, energy, and cosmopolitan charm. Trains once rolled into a lively town that was beautiful and had everything: a railway station, post office, church, hospital, and even a school. The boat Mail Express connected Madras to Colombo through Dhanushkodi, passengers stepping off trains to board ferries that carried them across the shimmering Park Street. But on the night of December 22nd, 1964, a destiny changed course. A cyclone, a monstrous and merciless, struck with winds howling at 280 kilometers per hour, tidal wave up to 50 meters height swallowed the coast. At around 11:15 p.m., as a train number 653 approached Dhanushkodi station, the driver blew his final whistle. Moments later, the roaring sea consumed the entire train. Six coaches, 110 passengers, five crew members, all lost to the night. On the same night, Dhanushkodi was gone. Nearly 2,000 lives were lost. The government declared it as a ghost town, unfit for habitation. Yet the ruins remain silent storytellers carved by wind and salt. The skeletal church, its coral-like texture sculptured by the sea breeze, stands as both a memorial and a marvel. The old railway station platform, half buried in sand, hints at journeys it will never resume. After this devastation, one structure defined nature, the Kothandaramaswamy Temple, said to be over 1,000 years old. This shrine marks the spot where Vibhushana, Ravana's brother, sought refuge in Lord Rama. Its survival untouched by the cyclone is considered nothing short of miraculous. Today, few fisher folk call this a spectacular land home, living in humble huts without electricity and water. They find substances in the sea, selling fish and shells and memories to travelers who venture here. And I have created the separate videos for covering all those ghost town guys, so you can visit that video if you are interested in that. And even the lighthouse also I have covered in a different separate video, so you can check out that playlist if you are interested in those particular videos.
அதிரும் மலைகள் அழைக்கும் வழி, அழகான பாதை கண்களில் விழி, காற்றின் தாளம், கடலின் நாதம், இதயம் நெகிழும் இயற்கை பாதம், சுற்றும் மணல் மனம் வீசுது, சூரியன் சிரிப்பது போலே, நெஞ்சம் நிறைய நிம்மதி தரும், நிலா போல நிழல் தரும், எந்தன் சக்கரம் பாடுது சுறுசுறுப்பா, எந்தன் மனசு ஆடுது உற்சாகத்தா, வழி தொலைவு இல்லை இனி, அழகே நம் துணை தினம் தினம்.
And for decades, reaching Dhanushkodi meant a rough jeep ride over a shifting sands. But since 2017, a new road, an extension National Highway 87, has transformed the journey. Now the travelers can drive from Rameshwaram to Archil Munai, the land's end, in less than an hour. The drive is spectacular, a silver ribbon of tarmac with the Bay of Bengal on one side and the Indian Ocean on the other. The route also crosses the engineering wonder, the Pamban Bridge, connecting the mainland to Rameshwaram Island, an experience that feels like gliding above the sea. Here, a lone Ashok pillar marks India's southern edge. On the clear days, Sri Lanka feels almost within reach, and some travelers even find their phones switching to the Sri Lankan network. A fascinating secret about Dhanushkodi is its sweetwater wells, natural freshwater pockets found just meters from the sea. Locals still dig shallow pits in the sand to draw this miracle water, pure and drinkable in the endless salt sea.
அதிரும் அலைகள் அழைக்கும் வழி அழகான பாதை கண்களில் விழி காற்றின் தாளம் கடலின் நாதம் இதயம் நெகிழும் இயற்கை பாதம் சுற்றும் மனம் மனம் வீசுது சூரியன் சிரிப்பது போலே நெஞ்சம் நிறைய நிம்மதி தரும் நிலா போலே நிழல் தரும் எந்த சக்கரம் பாடுது சுறுசுறுப்பா எந்த மனசு ஆடுது உற்சாக தாவழி தொலைவு இல்லை இனி அழகே நம் துணை தினம் தினம் என் வானம் நீளம் கடல் தாளம் இதயம் இணையும் ஆனந்த நாதம் தனுஷ்கோடியோரம் காற்று பேசுது அழகு வாழ்க்கை எங்கும் வீசுது அழகு வாழ்க்கை எங்கும் வீசுது வீசுது சூரியன் சிரிப்பது போலே நெஞ்சம் நிறைய நிம்மதி தரும் நிலா போலே நிழல் தரும் எந்த சக்கரம் பாடுது சுறுசுறுப்பா எந்த மனசு ஆடுது உற்சாக தாவழி தொலைவு இல்லை இனி அழகே நம் துணை தினம் தினம் என் வானம் நீளம் கடல் தாளம் இதயம் இணையும் ஆனந்த நாதம் தனுஷ்கோடியோரம் காற்று பேசுது அழகு வாழ்க்கை எங்கும் வீசுது அழகு வாழ்க்கை எங்கும் வீசுது அழகு வாழ்க்கை எங்கும் வீசுது Started from the bottom, now I'm on the rise. No more chasing dreams that they might not find. I was told to follow, but I made my way. They can keep the rules, I'm here to stay. Every move I make, it's on my own. Got no need to fit into your mold. This is how I live, no one's in control. Do it like I want, I'm unstoppable. My way, taking over like a tidal wave. My way, I'm never turning back, no shame. This is my life and I'll take the reins. Gonna do it my way, yeah, yeah, yeah. My way, lighting up the sky and our life flames. Every time they doubt it, I broke through the noise. Living for myself, I finally found my voice. They can try to push, but I won't bend. Built this time from nothing. to fit into your mold. This is how I live, no one's in control. Do it like I want, I'm unstoppable. My way, taking over like a tidal wave. My way, I'm never turning back, no shame. This is my life and I'll take the reins. Gonna do it my way, yeah, yeah, yeah. My way, lighting up the sky, not like flames. No more doubts, I'm standing tall, burning bright, I won't ever fall. Took the road less traveled on, and now I'm here where I belong. My way, taking over like a tidal wave. My way, I'm never turning back, no shame. This is my life and I'll take the reins. Gonna do it my way, yeah, yeah, yeah. My way, lighting up the sky, like flames. Gonna do it my way. Gonna do it my way.
And the best time to visit Dhanushkodi is from October to February, when cool winds sweep across its quiet beaches. Monsoons from July to September bring turbulent seas, a reminder of the town's tragic past. Geologically, Dhanushkodi sits on a double tombolo, a rare landform shaped by coral banks and shifting sands, constantly sculptured by nature's hand. On one side lies the calm Gulf of Mannar, on the other, the wild Park Bay. Dhanushkodi is not just a place you visit, it's a place you feel, a reminder that ending too can be breathtakingly beautiful. So, thank you for watching. We'll catch up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Travel safe, guys.
அதிரும் மலைகள் அழைக்கும் வழி, அழகான பாதை கண்களில் விழி. காற்றின் தாளம், கடலின் நாதம், இதயம் நெகிழும் இயற்கை பாதம். சுற்றும் மணல் மனம் வீசுது, சூரியன் சிரிப்பது போலே. நெஞ்சம் நிறைய நிம்மதி தரும், நிலா போல நிழல் தரும். எந்தன் சக்கரம் பாடுது சுறுசுறுப்பா, எந்தன் மனசு ஆடுது உற்சாகத்தா. வழி தொலைவு